If you appreciate classic design, but also crave a new, fresh look in your home, think transitional. Transitional rugs are characterized by older designs, but in new, fresh colors. Sometimes the border is dropped or the design will be minimalized, making the rug look less busy and ornate. We source rugs from the top rug-making houses with talented designers and colorists offering a vast selection of transitional looks. By far, the rugs made by French Accents and Samad are our most popular transitional looks. Currently, blues, grays, and creams are favorites, but stronger colors seem to be making a comeback. Transitional rugs come mainly from Pakistan, India, and Afghanistan. Transitional rugs are perfect for people who are a little more conservative in their design approach, but still want something new and fresh. These rugs work for a lot of people because the softer, neutral color palettes are easy to decorate with, and they harmonize with a wide range of decors in today's homes. Best of all, transitional rugs are designed to go hand in hand with the latest trends in fabrics and paint colors.